Coming up, home inspection verbiage in real estate. In a second, I'm going to give you a few quick details related to home inspection verbiage that you may want to consider in real estate. A complete description and more examples will be provided for you right below in the description box. Hi, this is Ken Mucho with High Desert Realty. Today I'm going to briefly discuss with you a few examples and some tips on writing home inspection verbiage in real estate. When you do perform a home inspection and you do write the contingency in the contract, a typical timeline is between 10 to 12 business days to allow you time to not only complete the inspection, but also time to negotiate any credits or repairs related to the inspection. Another quick tip, at least 2 to 3 days prior to the last day of your inspection contingency, put a reminder in your calendar in your phone so you don't miss this critical inspection deadline. When asking for repairs, good verbiage that you should consider in your contract follows. The buyer has performed a home inspection and does not approve. A complete copy of the home inspection will be provided for you upon listing agent or seller's request. A few repair examples include leak under the sink. This to be fixed and repaired by a licensed plumber. Double tap wires in the electrical panel. This to be completed and repaired by a licensed electrician. More examples and more details will be provided for you right below in the description box. This is Ken Mucho with High Desert Realty in beautiful Bend, Oregon. For more free tips, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my YouTube accounts. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day. See ya.